Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is campus. It's a B1 level noun, and it means a school or university area. So, what exactly is a campus? Well, it's the grounds and buildings of a university or college. Think of it as the entire area where the educational institution is located. It's where classes happen, students hang out, and so much more. You might hear people talking about the campus in terms of its size, its beautiful lawns, or its modern facilities. It's not just one building. It's a collection of buildings and open spaces that make up the university or college area. Let's explore some synonyms. Words like grounds or precinct can be used in a similar way. For instance, we could say, the university grounds were covered in fallen leaves, or the police patrolled the school precinct to ensure safety. These words paint a picture similar to campus, focusing on the area around an institution. Now let's delve into some antonyms. These words highlight the opposite concept of a large dedicated area. Words like downtown or city center are contrasting ideas. For example, the students enjoyed visiting the downtown area after classes, or the business offices were located in the city center. These are areas with different functions, usually not dedicated to education. How can you use campus in everyday life? Well, you could say, I am meeting my friend on campus at 3 p.m., or the new library is on the main campus. You could ask, do you know where the science building is on campus? You'll find that campus is a very common word when referring to university and college life. People often discuss events on campus, activities on campus, or even food stalls on campus. Here are a few more examples of how to use campus in sentences. The university's campus is known for its beautiful architecture. Another one is, she spends most of her time in the library located on campus, and many students ride their bikes around the campus. You might also hear someone say, there are many places to get coffee on campus. These examples demonstrate the various ways this word is woven into conversations related to education. To summarize, today we learned about the word campus, a B1 level noun that means a school or university area. We explored some synonyms such as grounds and precinct, as well as antonyms like downtown and city center. We saw how campus is frequently used in everyday conversations when discussing academic life. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. If you enjoy learning new words with me, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, which is fantastic. It's a great way to help grow our community of language learners. And finally, I'd love to hear from you. Please create your own sentence using the word campus and share it in the comment section below the video. I'm very excited to read them. Bye for now.